Here on WIX editor, if you are on the desktop editor and then want to change it for mobile editor to fit the content, you want to click right here at the top left of your screen on this switch to mobile with the font icon. Just click on it, and then here on the mobile editor, you can customize the content to really fit on the mobile view. So for example, I want to make this image more smaller, just click on the image or column and then just fit it as you like. And don't worry, when you change any content or element in the mobile view, it will not be affected to desktop view. As you can see right here, the same image or column did not change at all at the desktop view. And then, if you are on mobile editor and you want to change it to desktop editor to fit the content, again, you want to click right here at the top left of your screen on the switch to desktop with the computer icon. And there you go. Here on the desktop editor, you can customize the content to really fit on the desktop view. For the desktop view, to fit the content, you can click right here at the top right of your screen on Tools. And then here on the grid lines, you want to click on it to turn it on. And then when you click or edit any element on the desktop view, you want to make sure your element have the maximum width according to the limits of these broken lines right here at the right and on the left. Keep in mind that the change you've made in desktop editor more or less will affect the mobile view. So after you've done editing on the desktop editor, you want to check on your mobile editor once again. And that's how to switch to desktop editor and mobile editor on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.